welcome. I'm RofhiwaReneilwe and welcome to my YouTube channel. So grab something to drink. And without wasting any of your time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell on the side so that you can be notified each and every time your girl posts. Because we're growing in this family and I kind of like it. We are on our way to 100 subscribers. We are currently on 80 subscribers. So thank you family, thank you my beauties, you are doing the most. And you guys, I see that you're watching and sometimes we do forget to subscribe. I mean, it happens sometimes, but just a reminder that you must subscribe, you must like, you must comment, you must share, and I will really appreciate the effort. So we don't like wasting any of the time because time is precious, my darling. So on that note, I'm gonna wait for you to like, to comment, to share, to subscribe. Please do that now. Are you done? So my beauties, where I am today, it's currently over 40 degrees. So I'm just gonna do makeup and then I'm going to step outside. The results that I'm going to show on this video is going to be post makeup and post me going out. So without wasting any of your time, let's get straight into the video. Let's just go straight into the business of the day. What I'm doing, I'm using a brow gel to lay down my brows. This makes sure that my brows are going to stay on for the whole day without moving. They're gonna set into place, and when I'm done, I use a setting powder to set them, and then I use an eyebrow pencil to draw them. And for shaping, I'm just gonna use a concealer. When it comes to skin preparation, I use a face moisturizer and a primer. Do this is essential. I am applying an eyeshadow base. This is to make sure that my eyeshadows are going to be visible. These are the colors that I'm using on my palette: orange or mango, here I'm using moonlight. Let's cut the crease and blend. The other color I'm using is orange. I am just going to do with a touch of yellow. Here I'm using green. I added a touch of sky blue. I went again with moonlight. On the crease line, I used starlight. I'm finishing off with lime at the top. To get the results that I wanted, I used liquid eyeliner and pencil eyeliner. I applied glue on my lashes, then waited for them to be a bit dry, then I stick them on. Skin prep again, setting spray. Foundation application. I am using a foundation which corresponds or which is close to my skin so that I can be able to color correct. And when I'm done with application, I make sure that I am blending it smoothly. I'm taking a concealer and concealing under eyes. I'm concealing on my cheeks. Then I go on to do on the chin. And I go again to conceal on my forehead. Then I go to conceal on the nose. Not forgetting to conceal upper lips and chin. When all that is done, I make sure that I blend. So what I'm doing now is that I am placing my loose powder in all the places that I previously concealed so that it can set. For a smooth transition, I am just going to lightly blend. In this video, I'm going to be using two types of blushes. Here I'm using liquid blush, and when I'm done applying, I'm going to blend it. To give my face some shape, I'm going to be contouring using the color brown. I am going to be doing middle cheeks and the forehead line. Not forgetting to do jawline for shape, and finishing off with the nose. Then I can all blend it. I'm using banana powder to slightly contour in the middle of my upper cheeks, and I'm going to blend it lightly. For the nose, I'm using a brown contour at the sides of the nose. And in the middle of the nose, I'm just highlighting. I'm going on again on a powder blush, and I'm going to do those cute little upper cheeks of mine. You can do yours. For a matte finishing look, I am going to use compact pressed powder. And for the colors that I'm using on my lips, I'm using maroon and pink. For my makeup to stay in place, I'm using a setting spray and wait for it to dry. Wow. My beauties, let's just admire the quality of the work that we did. I mean, we look absolutely amazing, don't we? And some few 180 degrees turn there, some few happy dentures here and there, because we managed to pull this one off. Let's get right back at it. Where I am right now is currently 40 degrees, so I quickly stepped outside. I went outside and then I came back. I am all sweaty. Yo, it's so hot. I really wanted to test how it was gonna be, and it did pretty good. I am all sweaty, but it managed to stay on my face for the whole I wanna say, if you reach this point, much love. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and see you on to the next video. Just don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell on the side so that you can be notified each and every time I